Hello, my name is Brandon Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, we're going to talk about the breathalyzer and if the breathalyzer can be beat. Now, specifically in this video, we're going to talk about the Intoxilyzer 9000. People throw around the term of breathalyzer in a couple of different contexts. People will use it as the PBT, or the preliminary breath test. That's the officer's handheld breath test that they will administer at the stop of a vehicle whenever they're trying to determine somebody's DUI or not. That's not what we're going to talk about here. Those are not evidentiary tests. The results of those tests do not generally make it into evidence. What we're going to be talking about here is the Intoxilyzer 9000. That is Kansas's evidentiary breath test. It is the breathalyzer that an officer is going to try to get you to take back at the station, that they're going to try to use the results of that in court against you to prove that you were over the legal limit. Now, the Intoxilyzer 9000 is a scientific instrument. It has various protocols that need to be observed before the validity of the results can be relied on. There are things that an officer needs to observe besides those protocols that are going to go to the weight of whether that test is valid. For example, an officer is going to need to be certified on that breath test. He's going to have to go through the training required to administer the breath test per the protocols. Another thing that's going to have to be done is that Intoxilyzer 9000 is going to have to be certified by the Kansas Department of Health and Environment. There are maintenance requirements on the machine. There are paperwork associated with those maintenance requirements. There is a lot of things that are going to go into making sure that the results of the Intoxilyzer 9000 can be relied on, aside from the protocols. Once your lawyer gets your DUI case, they're going to, through the process of discovery, get the Intoxilyzer information, get the certifications, get the paperwork that is associated with that machine so that they can question the results of the Intoxilyzer 9000's validity. Aside from checking on the paperwork of the Intoxilyzer 9000, the certifications and such, your lawyer is also going to look at discovery and see if the officer observed the correct protocols, whether they checked your mouth to make sure that you didn't have any foreign objects in it, whether you stayed in their immediate presence, whether they observed the property deprivation period, whether the machine had the correct calibration gas in it. There are a number of different things that your lawyer is going to look at so that they can question the results that the Intoxilyzer produced. If you have any other questions about the Intoxilyzer 9000, any PBT, or any other breath test, feel free to peruse our website or call our office for more information.